Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your financial accounts with Personal Capital, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect your financial accounts with Personal Capital, start by visiting the Personal Capital website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in your personal information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, log into your Personal Capital dashboard. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Add Account button to begin connecting your financial accounts. You will see a list of financial institutions. Search for your bank or investment service by typing its name in the search bar. Select your institution from the search results. You will then be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. This will typically include your username and password for that bank or service. Be assured that Personal Capital uses bank-level security to protect your information. After entering your credentials, click the Connect or Link Account button. The system will take a moment to verify your login information. Once verified, your account information will start syncing with Personal Capital. You can repeat this process for any other financial accounts you wish to connect. After all accounts are connected, you will see an overview of your financial data. Take time to explore the dashboard to view your net worth, spending habits, and investment performance. Personal Capital will automatically update your financial information regularly. This makes tracking your finances easy and convenient. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to the help section on the website. Familiarize yourself with the different features available to help manage your wealth. Congratulations, you now have all your financial accounts connected to Personal Capital. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.